The thickest, hardest lip product I've ever tried to push up out of a container. I wonder if this is old. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my FabFitFun Beauty Edit box for the month of April. I'm gonna pop these right here and I'll go ahead and dive in. This is my third month receiving the box, although I never received my February box. They did rectify it. Everything was okay after some debacle. But I overall have had a pleasant experience with the two boxes that I did end up receiving. And at the very end, per your request, I will pop up what was in each category, because the beautiful thing about this, as much as I love surprises, you already know I don't like spoilers or anything like that. I like to get my subscriptions, open them, and be excited or disappointed in real time with you guys. However, if you are somebody that you want specifically to be able to choose your products, you don't want to be surprised, you don't want to feel like you're getting a mystery box, this is the one for you. You go in and get 4 full-size products and you choose all 4 products from the different categories. So at the end of the video, I will pop up a little snippet, a screen grab of the selection process and stuff like that, and what I could have also chosen for myself. All right, I like the packaging and stuff like that. And I do like to kind of equate getting a subscription box. I kind of speak to this a lot with, IPSY, with whomever. I kind of feel like it's a buy one, get however many for free. So I feel like I'm paying for one product, getting 3 for free in here, because each of the products generally run about the price of the box. First up, oh, and by the way, I do this so quickly, y'all, that do I forget what I got by the time my box comes? I sure do. This is the Messy by LADYBUG I Will Not Be Broken Overnight Repair Hair Serum. Ooh, clearly I forgot I got this, because holy crap, that sounds amazing. And it says smooth, hydrate, and prevent breakage. It feels very, very weighty. I love the packaging. I have never heard of this or tried this, tested this, nothing. So if you have, definitely let me know. I do actually just want to kind of open and see what it looks like. I am a fan of hair serums. I use them pretty much nightly. Oh, that is nice, you guys. Messy by LADYBUG. I feel like I know who LADYBUG is. I don't know why that sounds so incredibly familiar to me. But here is our product. It is in a protective brown glass bottle. And I like the overall component and everything. I like the packaging and stuff like that. Okay, starting off with a bang. And I'm gonna automatically say this is probably the cost of the box. Next up is the Ultraviolet, the Vibrant Screen SPF 50, our sweat safe body and body. That's not what that says at all, you guys. Face and body sunscreen, skin screen, a water resistant light lotion for play and everyday, broad spectrum SPF of 50. That sounds incredible. I did try their little sample packet that they had on Sephora last summer. I loved it. I will say the one, because there was like 2 different ones in it, the one was quite thick. It almost felt like I was putting pudding on my face. So I like that this says that it's a very lightweight formula and texture. And you guys already know I am an advocate for sunscreen. I swear by it. I use sunscreen consistently. I preach it all the time. So I'm excited about this too. And we go through a ton of sunscreen in the warmer months. Next up is the Too Faced Quickie Queen Cream Eyeshadow Stick in Chocolate Sprinkles. And if I chose something that maybe I don't think I'm going to use or something like that, it was just that I chose, maybe what I thought would sell in my resale group or what I could gift to somebody, because these are not things that I like kind of consistently use. I am somebody that if I'm doing like a one and done, it's going to be a beautiful like multi-chrome eyeshadow or something like that. Okay, and then last up in my beauty edit box is the Ultraviolet, the Sheen Screen SPF 50 Hydrating Lip Balm, the ultimate everyday lip protector in Bejeweled. Yes, please. I have a couple from K-Skin that I really like, and I do also protect my lips. That is what that looks like. I actually, because we're going to be outdoors today, I do want to... Ooh. Mine looks used. Hello. I don't know if you guys are gonna see that. Yeah, maybe that's, I don't know. Maybe that's how it's supposed to look. If you have experience with that, let me know. I'm kind of weird about using something that looks like someone else touched it. Oh my gosh. That is the thickest, hardest lip product I've ever tried to push up out of a container. I wonder if this is old. Okay, well, that's what it looks like. I'm not putting this on my lips just yet. Yeah, maybe it's meant to be chunky at first. It doesn't smell bad. I don't know that I trust that, you guys. Yeah, I might have to reach out to customer service. That feels like, I mean, you guys, it is a struggle to push this out of here. That is very, 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 very thick. I'm gonna research, or if you guys want to drop some comments down below. That is sketching me out just a little bit. Let me check the expiration. January 2027. It's not expired, it just almost seems like somebody used it or something. Or maybe it got cold. I don't know, you guys. Yeah, I don't know. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Have you tested this, and is that how it looks? Like, is it just incredibly thick and maybe has a little bit of granules in it until you blend it out? I don't know. So we have this, we have the Too Faced, we have the Ultraviolet, the Sunscreen, and then we also had our Messy by Ali Webb Hair Repair Serum. So a good selection in my opinion. I definitely still feel like I got my money's worth here. I would like to know what you guys think though, and then of course I'll pop up, you know, the little snippet with all the different choices and stuff like that. I will note, obviously I get subscription boxes to unbox them on my channel. That is the sole purpose of my subscription boxes and stuff like that, is to showcase them for you guys, help you guys make informed decisions on how to spend your own money. I feel like the value is still there, and I like that we can pick our own, and I like that we can pick our own products. In saying that, as you kind of see the little snippet and stuff like that, if there's something that I know that I'm personally not going to use, I do a ton of giveaways. I give things away to friends and family and stuff like that. And then I have my resale group over on Facebook. So for me, in the way that I purchase these boxes, the value is there. If you're paying, you know, X amount and you don't see something you like, then obviously you're going to feel a little bit differently. Maybe there's, you know, something that you're not going to like in every single category or whatever the case may be. That does not apply to me. So just kind of noting that for you guys. But yeah, I will pop that on for you guys so you guys can see all of the other selections. And let me know too, once you see the selections, what would you have chosen for yourself? What 4 items would you have chosen? If you do get the box, what did you pick? That is it. Thank you, beauty, so much for joining. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can also hype the video. You can turn on your bell so you never miss a video. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.